Hi, it's Tim Lau here with PERL Mortgage, and today we're going to talk briefly about documents needed for your loan. Our goal is for you to get your loan to the closing table as quickly and effectively as possible. And to do that, we need your help. We need your help desperately when it comes to gathering the documents. You're the only key to making your loan go smoothly and quickly when it comes to this process. So grab a pen. Write these down. This is what you're going to need to get your loan through to the closing table. When it comes to documents, the first thing that I want everybody to know is we always need 2 years of the most current W-2s. For instance, this year, it's 2015, so we need the 2013 and the 2014 W-2s. Make sure when you copy them, it's completely copied, it's legible, and it's all on the page. The other item we need is federal tax returns, full federal tax returns, all pages, and make sure your signature is on the page that's to be signed. A lot of people skip that. If they're electronically filed, you can forward those to us. We love documents in PDFs, so please send them that way. Now, if you are self-employed, it's a little bit different. Make sure you get us not only your W-2s, but your 1099s, maybe a K-1, and on your tax returns, if you have business tax returns and you're over 25% owner in that corporation, we need 2 years of the corporation's full federal tax returns also. Okay, back to the basics. So we got W-2s, federal tax returns, 30 days of your most recent pay stubs. So 30 days of your most recent pay stubs, whether you're paid weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, make sure to get us the most recent 30 days and keep getting us those pay stubs as the process keeps on going. The other item is 60 days worth of bank statements. These are asset statements. So we have to prove where the money is coming from for your down payment on the property. So wherever you're banking at, wherever the funds for the closing are coming from, we need to document that. When we say bank statements, make sure you understand the difference between a full bank statement, which is what we need, versus a transaction summary. Transaction summary is the printout that you can do online. A lot of times it doesn't have your name, your account number. Underwriters can't legally take that unless there is not a statement provided. And then we can use the transaction summary from the date of the last statement to the middle of the month. For instance, if we're closing in the middle of the month. So 60 days, most current bank statement, keep updating those to us throughout the process or through your pre-approval process. So the other item, assets. A lot of times folks like yourself are utilizing assets from a 401k or a 403b or a mutual account. And those items, we need to get, again, 60 days of those investments if you're utilizing those assets for either reserves for the loan or potentially for down payment. So again, 60 days, full statements. Don't just get the snapshots on the website like everybody does. It's easy to do. I understand that. Document, document, document. It's going to make your loan go much smoother, much more effectively, and you're going to be much happier and get into your home as quickly as possible. Here's another one. Write this down. Driver's license. What we look for on there is that your name matches, that the address matches. If for some reason it's going to expire before you purchase a home, make sure to get us a new copy of the updated driver's license. So let's talk about retired folks. People that are requiring items like pension income, Social Security income. We love doing loans for those individuals who are retired, and congratulations, by the way. I can't wait to be in your same shoes someday. Documentation-wise, it's a little bit different. All the items that we talked about above, but we also need your most current Social Security award letter. So this year, 2015, you would have received an award letter in January telling us how much you're going to be receiving from Social Security Administration. So get that award letter. Now, when it comes to pension income, if you've received it already for 2 years, is all we need is your W-2s or 1099s that the pension produced. But if it has been less than 2 years, we need to also get your retirement paperwork that comes from your employer saying that you are now officially retired for good. So last couple things, and these are a little bit unique that we'll go over. If you've had a past foreclosure, a bankruptcy, or a divorce, any of them that included real estate, child support, alimony, any things like that. We want all the documentation up front. We want to make sure you get in your home as quickly as possible, smoothly as possible. The more we gather up front, the better we're going to work for you. So once again, get the divorce decree, the bankruptcy paperwork, and any of the foreclosure paperwork that you may have had. All that documentation, make sure it's signed. The original ones, they do not need to be original, but they do need to be signed. The last thing we're going to go over, if you own investment properties or other properties, second homes on lakes, even condos, we need to validate that the payment that's on your credit also includes the taxes and the insurance. And usually the only way to do that is one, get the statement. If the statement doesn't break down both tax bills and the insurance on it, which most of them don't, we also need to get from the county the tax records for the most current year and a copy of your homeowner's insurance. So guys, I know it sounds like a lot, but we want to make your loan as smooth as possible. That's what we're here to do at PERL Mortgage with our team. Honored to be on this journey of homeownership with you. Thank you so much. We'll see you at the closing table.